In the pivotal ambience of medical device readiness, where sterility is imperative, GZAIR's Medi Prep Mini Vortex Mixer distinguishes itself. Envision a medical technologist scrupulously concocting solutions for sterilization, certifying that every apparatus is devoid of polluta. In TS, the Medi Prep Mini Vortex Mixer imparts uniform blending, a cardinal phase in the sterilization routine. Its configuration complies with the apex standards of purity and efficacy, rendering it indispensable in medical laboratories. GZAIR, a vanguard supplier of laboratory apparatus with over a decade of expertise, is dedicated to imparting high-caliber mechanisms that gratify the stringent requisites of the medical sector. The Medi Prep Mini Vortex Mixer is no disparity, offering a fusion of exactitude and reliability that is pivotal for upholding sterility in medical device preparation. For a fleeting duration, GZAIR is proffering a unique promotion on the Medi Prep Mini Vortex Mixer. Magnify your medical device preparation protocols. To acquire additional insights on how the Medi Prep Mini Vortex Mixer can reinforce your sterilization procedures, you can contact me through my homepage email address to learn more about the product. Entrust GZAIR to uphold the loftiest benchmarks in your lab.